Our journey begins with the decision to have surgery. This is a decision that comes after consultations with medical professionals and requires an understanding of both the risks and benefits of the procedure. It's a time of reflection, filled with questions and contemplation. The decision to have TKR surgery is not one to be taken lightly, but it promises the possibility of a life with less pain and improved mobility. The day of the surgery is a unique blend of anticipation, preparation, and action. It begins with pre-op preparations, which includes a final consultation with the surgical team. Following the procedure, the focus shifts to the immediate post-op recovery, a crucial period marked by close monitoring and pain management. The early stages of recovery are equally important. It's a time to manage pain and swelling, and to begin the process of physical therapy. This period is challenging, yet filled with small victories that signal progress. It's a time of learning to move again, gradually regaining strength and mobility. Recovery, however, isn't always a smooth journey. Challenges are bound to arise: setbacks, moments of doubt, and physical discomfort. Yet these challenges are surmountable. With determination, resilience, and a positive attitude, they can be overcome. As the recovery process continues, the focus shifts towards regaining strength and mobility. This includes exercises designed to improve knee function and adjustments to daily life to accommodate the new knee. It's a time of noticeable progress, of regaining independence and returning to normalcy. Finally, we reach a point of reflection and celebration. Looking back on the journey, we celebrate the progress made, the challenges overcome, and the lessons learned. It's a time to plan for the future, to embrace the possibilities that a life with less pain and improved mobility can bring. In summary, the TKR surgery journey is a transformative process that begins with a decision and ends with a celebration of progress. It's a journey filled with challenges and victories, pain and resilience, setbacks and milestones. Through it all, the promise of a better quality of life remains the guiding light. So, join in, follow along, and learn from this journey. And remember, whether you're considering TKR surgery yourself or simply want to learn more, every journey begins with a single step. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Together, we can navigate the road to recovery, one step at a time.